Welcome back to Seyyah Ressam, where we journey through the latest tech innovations with a critical eye. Today, we'll unbox a gadget that promises to change the way you interact with your home. Honor has just introduced the Honor X6c to the Vietnamese market. A budget-friendly smartphone designed to stand out in the competitive mid-range segment. By combining a youthful design, large battery, and smooth display at an entry-level price, the phone is priced at around $152, making it an attractive choice for students and casual users seeking strong features without overspending. The device comes packaged in a minimalist white carton box, with the product name and image on the front and technical details on the back. Inside, users receive a surprisingly complete set of accessories including the Honor X6c, a 35W fast charger, a 1-meter USB Type-C cable, a transparent silicone case, a SIM ejector tool, and a multi-language user manual. The inclusion of a 35W charger is a valuable addition at this price point, especially when many brands no longer provide one in the box. On first impression, the Honor X6c feels modern and fresh. Measuring 163.3 by 75.5 by 8.4 millimeters and weighing 199 grams. The weight is well balanced, giving a solid hand feel without being overly heavy. The phone comes in emerald green and midnight black, both finished with a matte texture that reduces fingerprints and adds a premium touch. The green version, in particular, looks stylish and stands out. On the back, the phone features a dual camera setup, housed in a circular module on the top left corner, with a 50 megapixels main sensor and a secondary depth sensor, accompanied by an LED flash. The frame is made of high-quality plastic, with subtle curves that make it comfortable to hold. On the left side sits a customizable quick access button for AI features or Google Assistant, while the right side houses the power button with integrated fingerprint sensor and volume controls. The bottom edge includes a USB Type-C port, a mono speaker, a microphone, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, while the top holds a hybrid SIM tray that supports either 2 nano SIM cards or one SIM and a micro SD card. A notable feature for a budget phone is its IP54 rating for dust and splash resistance, offering peace of mind for everyday use. The front of the Honor X6c sports a 6.61-inch TFT LCD display with HD resolution of 720 by 1604 pixels, delivering a pixel density of 266 pixels per inch. While not the sharpest panel in its class, it is adequate for daily use. What makes it stand out is the 120 Hz refresh rate, which is rarely seen in this price segment. Scrolling feels fluid, social media browsing is smooth, and gaming is more enjoyable compared to standard 60 Hz screens. The display reaches up to 480 nits of brightness, making it comfortable indoors and usable in average outdoor conditions. With IPS technology, the viewing angles are solid, and colors remain consistent when tilted. A 5-megapixel selfie camera is tucked into a punch hole cutout, keeping the screen-to-body ratio at around 85%. Under the hood, the Honor X6c is powered by the MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra processor. Built on a 12nm process, it features an octa-core CPU with 2 Cortex-A75 cores clocked at 2.0 GHz and 6 Cortex-A55 cores at 1.8 GHz, paired with a Mali G52 MC2 GPU. The phone offers 2 memory options: 6GB RAM with 128GB storage or 8GB RAM with 256GB storage. Storage can be expanded with a micro SD card if needed. In terms of performance, it achieves 294,746 points on Antutu V11, 405 points in single-core and 1,319 in multi-core on Geekbench 6, which is respectable for its class. Everyday tasks such as browsing, social media, video streaming, and light photo editing run smoothly. while games like Arena of Valor and PUBG Mobile can be played at medium settings without major issues. The 120Hz refresh rate adds to the gaming experience, making it feel more responsive. On the software side, the device runs Magic OS 9, based on Android 15, offering a clean, user-friendly interface with handy features such as multi-window, App Twin, and extensive customization options. The camera system includes a 50 megapixels main shooter with f1.8 aperture and PDAF for quick and accurate focusing, producing good results in daylight with natural colors and clear details. The secondary 0.08 megapixel sensor handles depth calculations for portrait mode. Though its contribution is minimal, portrait shots are acceptable, especially with clearly defined subjects. The selfie camera, while modest at 5 megapixels, is adequate for casual shots and video calls, with AI beauty, HDR, and portrait options available. Both front and rear cameras support full HD 1080p video recording at 30 fps. A range of camera modes such as Night, Panorama, Pro Mode, and AI scene detection help users capture better photos with ease. One of the Honor X6c's strongest points is its large 5,300 mAh battery, which, combined with the efficient Helio G81 Ultra processor and HD resolution display, delivers over a full day of use even with heavy activity. The phone supports 35W fast charging via USB Type-C, capable of reaching 50% in about 30 minutes, and a full charge in just over an hour, an impressive achievement for a budget device. Overall, the Honor X6c stands out as one of the most compelling options in its price range, balancing design, display smoothness, battery endurance, and practical features like IP54 resistance. At just $152, it is a solid choice for students, casual users, and anyone needing a reliable daily driver with long battery life and a modern feel without stretching their budget.